Hello and welcome to this lesson about months and seasons in Afrikaans. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to do the following in Afrikaans. Name the months of the year. Name the 4 seasons. And for the seasons, we will be looking at South Africa's seasons. There will be no revision for this lesson. The words you need to memorize for this lesson are as follows: is, or are, se, apostrophe s. Die woord se, the word apostrophe s. There isn't an English word for se per se. Se refers to the possessive form apostrophe s in English. Let's look at some examples to explain this concept. Vandag se weerberig. Vandag se weerberig. Today's weather report. My reënjas se knoop. My reënjas se knoop. My raincoat's button. Also, be careful not to confuse se with se. Se refers to the possessive form apostrophe s, while se refers to say. Se apostrophe s, say, say. Se, say. Let's have a look at the months. Maande. Suid-Afrika se somer maande. South Africa's summer months. January. January. Schools start again for the new year after a long summer vacation in December. February. February. And December, which we will cover later, also falls under summer. Suid-Afrika se herfsmaande. South Africa's autumn months. Maart. March. April. April. May. Suid-Afrika se wintermaande. South Africa's winter months. Junie. June. Julie. July. Augustus. August. Suid-Afrika se lente maande. South Africa's spring months. September. October. November. December. And remember, December is also a summer month. Activity. Beantwoord die volgende vraag. Watter maande is wintermaande? Which months are winter months? Watter maande is herfsmaande? Which months are autumn months? Watter maande is somermaande? Which months are summer months? Watter maande is lente maande? Which months are spring months? And your answers should be: watter maande is winter maande? Junie, Julie, Augustus. Watter maande is herfsmaande? Maart, April, Mei. Watter maande is somermaande? Desember, Januarie, Februarie. Watter maande is lente maande? September, Oktober, November. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next lesson.